Hi, I just wanted to come and share some tips with our newest consultants. Um, when you join 31, you're going to get an email and you're going to get access to a website called 31today.com. And this website is key for running your business. But one of the most important things to do first is to actually go and click on Virtual Office, and you can actually get there two ways, over here on the right hand corner and then down here. And then the first thing that you're going to want to do is edit your profile. So you're going to want to click on website information, and you're going to want to make sure that you are personalizing your website. So here on your website name, you're going to take out your consultant ID number and make it either your last name or your first name and your last initial, something that's personal to you. There are naming restrictions, so you'll want to review those. And down below you can add a welcome message, and this will all appear on your 31 website when your customers go to shop. On here you're also going to be able to add different phone numbers and email. You're going to be able to manage your cards and change your passwords. You're going to be able to change your commission options and add any address information in case you move. This is where you're going to want to start, is at editing your profile. And then you're also going to go to your subscriptions, and you are going to want to make sure that you are paying for your website and manage that, and you're also going to want to make sure that you sign up for the monthly flyers and receive those in the mail, because it's just super handy to get those monthly flyers every month and not have to worry about that. So I hope these tips and tricks help you.